Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. Today I will start a new chapter, that is issue of debentures. In this video I take introduction and theoretical part of debentures. Meaning of debenture is a written instrument by the company given under the seal of the company, acknowledging a debt and containing provisions in respect of repayment of principal and the payment of interest at a fixed rate. So it is a written document in which company the debt respect of repayment after a specified period of time, and the rate of interest is also specified in this. And from this meaning you will get characteristics also. Highlighted parts are portion of in the above are main characteristics of debenture. जैसे it is a written instrument, have a common seal of the company, acknowledging a debt and repayment of principal amount and payment of interest at a fixed rate. These are the characteristics also. And next is kinds of debentures. From the point of view of security, debenture may be classified as secured debentures, and secured debentures are also known as mortgage debentures. These debentures are those debentures which have some security against them, and unsecured debentures are those debentures which has no security. Two is registration. From the point of view of registration, debentures can be classified as registered debentures and bearer debentures. Registered debentures are those debentures in which the name of the debenture holder is written in the register of the company, and bearer debentures to any person who holds these debentures. And redemption, from the point of view of redemption, debentures may be classified as redeemable debentures or irredeemable debentures. Irredeemable debentures are also known as perpetual debentures. Redeemable debentures are those debentures which are redeemable after a specified period of time which is mentioned in the document or certificate of debentures. Irredeemable debentures are those debentures which are redeemed only at the time of winding up. And number 4 is from the point of view of comfort. Debentures may be convertible debentures or non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are convertible or partly convertible. These debentures are convertible into equity shares or stocks, etc. If the full amount of debentures is convertible, then it is said to be fully convertible, and if part of the amount of debenture is convertible, then it is said to be partly convertible debentures. And non-convertible debentures are those debentures which are not convertible into equity shares. Now I am taking some important points to remember from these chapters, and these are also important for from the point of view of examination. Number 1 is zero coupon bond. Zero coupon bond does not carry any specific rate of interest. Generally, debentures are written like this: 6% debentures. It means 6% is the rate of interest. And in case of zero coupon bond, this is not mentioned. Okay? This is not mentioned. So generally these are issued at discount. Zero coupon bonds are generally issued at discount to compensate the investors. Difference between the issue price and the redeemable price at the time of redemption, this difference represents the total interest to be spread over the duration of bond period. And next is coupon rate. Coupon rate is the rate of interest at which is paid by the company on its debenture. Rate of interest. And issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. It is also important from the point of view of exam. In examination, practical question may be asked from this topic. It is very similar to issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Entries will remain the same, but instead of writing shares, you have to write debentures. So sometimes company purchases some asset from the vendor and payment is made through for purchase consideration. Next is issue of debentures as collateral security. This is also very important point from the point of view of examination. Sometimes when a company takes loan as secondary security, because these are loan is secured loan, and company may keep some fixed asset against it, and for the safety point of view, lender asks for secondary security in addition to principal security. In case of default in making payment, lender will first realize the amount from sale of fixed asset, first security. But in case the amount is not sufficient, lender may use the rights of debenture holder. Entry may be passed when debentures are issued as collateral security. Entries like this: debenture suspense account debited to debenture. Debenture is a liability, that's why we have credited debentures. And debenture suspense, because these are not the actual debentures, no cash is received by the company, that's why it is kept as debenture suspense. Next is main difference between share and a debenture. Main difference between share and a debenture. On the basis of capital and loan. Share is a part of capital, and therefore shareholders are the owners of the company. And debenture is a long-term liability. Remember this thing, it is a long-term liability, and debenture holders are the creditors of the company. And next basis of difference is dividend versus interest. So in case of shareholder gets dividend from the company, and debenture holders get interest from the company. Next difference between shareholder and debenture holders. On the basis of status, debenture holders are the owners of the company, and debenture holders on the basis of status. Shareholders are the owner of the company, and debenture holders are the lenders of the company.